Hello everyone. The topic for today is rental deductions, which means if you have a rental property from which you are getting rent, now what expenses can you claim if you have a rental property? When you buy a property, you incur some expenses like solicitor fees, you pay stamp duty, or you pay to your mortgage broker some amount. Those expenses, they are not deductible, they are capital expenses which you can claim when you sell the property. You can only claim your everyday normal recurring expenses on managing the property, which are day-to-day expenses, not at the time of purchase. Except LMI, if you pay LMI, then you claim 20% every year. So for 5 years you will be claiming lender's mortgage insurance. It's called borrowing cost. So you can claim 20% every year from your income, from the rental income. Now what are the normal basic expenses which you can claim if you have a rental property? Stamp duty you can't claim, solicitor fees at the time of purchase you cannot claim, LMI, which is borrowing cost, you claim 20%. Interest you can claim. If your loan is P&I, principal and interest, you cannot claim principal. You can only claim the interest part which you have paid to the bank for investment property only, not on your personal place of residence, only investment part. You can claim repairs if you have incurred expenses on repairs of the property. You can also claim land tax if not everyone pays land tax. So people who are paying land tax, they can claim it from as a deduction. You can claim for pest control or pest report, or for smoke alarms. You can claim for depreciation. Now what is depreciation? Depreciation report is prepared by quantity surveyors. Accountants cannot prepare it. So you should hire a quantity surveyor. They are authorized by tax office to prepare a proper depreciation report. They might visit your property. They will charge you around anywhere between $300 to $600. They will give you a full report. If your property is new, maybe last 5, 6, 7 years old, it is always recommended to get a report, because you can claim a very heavy amount. Some clients even claim 20,000 as depreciation because their building cost is very high. So it is always recommended, unless the property is very old. Then you can claim the council rate which you pay, the water rates which you have paid, property agent fees, some travel expenses. Those things you can claim, not the legal thing. Well, legal thing you can claim if there is a dispute with the tenant, but not when you purchase the property. That legal fees is not deductible. So these things are claimable. Make sure you keep all the receipts with you, and you bring your summary at the end of the year. Whenever you see your accountant, just bring your summary and all the receipts to your accountant, so that he can check it and he can lodge it. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.